Hello everyone, my name is Lance Williams. I am studying kinesiology and psychology, and I'm a junior here at the University of Tennessee. So welcome here to Fred Brown Residence Hall. This room is actually going to be a double. So we have doubles, quads, and multiple other kinds of rooms. So for different styles of housing, you can go to housing.utk.edu. And actually on that website we give virtual tours so you can see all the different unique styles of housing that we have. Each housing opportunity also comes with residential assistants. So we shorten this and we like to say RAs. You will have a meeting with your RAs and your whole floor at the beginning of the semester just to kind of go over the basics and make sure everyone is on the same page. Now each room is going to come with a mailbox that you will come through and get through the front desk. You will also have a mini fridge and a microwave, so you can leave those at home. Now for cooking opportunities, we do have a kitchen in each residence hall, and you can rent out different things like pans, ovens, pots, whatever you need to use for that. Safety is a priority here at the University of Tennessee. So we have a 3-lock system where you use your vault card to get in the hallway, in the main door, as well as your room. We offer free laundry as well as common study spaces here at the University of Tennessee through your housing. We hope to see you here at the university soon.